Hello, it's Caroline from NSELED. Today, I want to share some maintenance skills about our rental LED display. The rental LED display refers to the temporary use of LED screens for various events, exhibitions, trade shows, concerts, and other occasions. Due to frequent activities, it's necessary to transport the LED display to different usage locations. During the transportation and loading, damage may be caused to the LED display models, power supplies, and receiving cards. In this case, we may have to replace the broken parts ourselves. So, in today's video, I want to introduce how to change the damaged accessories. You need to be operated without power and take some pictures or videos before operate anything so you can restore them after complete the replacement. Now we change the power supplier. We find the broken power supplier first, then remove the power cables and the nearby screws and take the power off the power board. And we put a new one on and restore them like we take the picture before. Now we change the receiving card. First, we need to remove the flat cable, power cables, an indicator light wire, and the nearby screws. And now we place the new one on and restore the other cables like the pictures we shot before. We change the model. One more thing we need to care about. Locate the broken model and choose correct model to prepare. Our models for rental LED display are divided into different locations for left and right. Loosen the screws of the power supply. And turn it around like this. Now you can see the screws which need to loose. And like before, to replace a new one on and restore anything with the picture we shot before.